Approximately 15% of these roadside crashes involve with a rigged obstacle, such as utility pole or tree. Example of this utility pole is the traffic lights and the street lights, etc. Traffic safety and the elderly. People over the age of 65 represent a small proportion of those who are involved in crashes. So we said that the older the age of 65, these drivers has the small proportion of getting involved in a crash. But however, when they get involved in a crash, they have the higher risk of having a fatal injury or even death, rather than these younger drivers. Older drivers are more likely to be driving the truck rather than the striking vehicle in multiple vehicle crashes and tend to be involved in fewer single vehicle crashes than younger drivers. So these older drivers, they are the one that is being struck rather than the striking vehicle. So this means that they are being bumped rather than they are the one who are bumping. Kung sa Bisaya pa, ang these older drivers, sila pa ang mas kinakakuhaan kasi sila ang pangunggo. Driver and experience. In 2001, approximately 14% of all drivers involved in a fatal crash were between the ages of 15 and 20 years old. Yet, this same age group accounted for only 6.8% of all licensed drivers. This obvious statistical disparity clearly indicates that young drivers are involved more frequently in crashes than drivers with more experience. So, kailangan nyo ng experience. So, driving, we must have a driving lessons. In fact, 70% of the drivers in all police reported crashes are these young drivers. So, in driving, you must have a great or high experience. Because the higher or the great experience in driving, you have the lower risk of getting involved in a crash.